Hey guys, Bingo here, and today we're unboxing this JBL Go 4 mini micro speaker. But yeah, it uses Bluetooth version 5.3, 7 hours of battery life, and yeah, it's just a small portable uh, speaker. I I think this is when I look it up. I think it's about 30 Australian dollars, and I didn't even realize I have one of these. I just saw it sealed. I was like, never knew when I bought these. But anyway, this is what we got. What you get in the box. You got your instruction and warranty card. Quick start guide, which is just what's in the box. Bluetooth pairing, play, multi-speaker, so you can, there's an app, charging, waterproof, dustproof, IPS, IP67, and yeah, that's about it. I think it's just a different language, different side, warranty card I believe, and some, your cable, USB-C cable is here, JBL branded, and it's a very small speaker. It's hopefully it boots up. That's we got the JBL, so I guess it's trying to pair up. Let's see if I can pair it up quickly. It's up there. Connect. Download to see all available features. Not now. Let's look for copyright free. Oops. Copyright free music. Let's see how it goes. No copyright. Let's play. So that's its lowest.
So tonight with this, what we're doing here,
Ooh,
we'll get together
packs a punch.
to realize that this is special.
Yeah, I can't play in I don't want to play in like full loud, but yeah, you can see, you can actually decrease volume here, and play and pause, and you got a clip, and I guess just your USB-C as well. And then I think this is the multiplayer where you link a couple of these so you can what do you call it, play all the same music. Anyway, that's about it for this unboxing. Really quick one. It's a small product, so JBL Go 4. Let's actually see. I'm curious how much is this, because I don't remember buying this, which is kind of weird. Anyway, let's have a look at my YouTube Premium is out. Oh yeah, it's like $35, $39. There's a Go 5, which is like an updated version. It's $80. Is the previous generation, but I would say that's a really good speaker for its price. It's like $35, and the sound quality is pretty good. What if I watch something like no, let's check out shorts.
World Cup stickers and World Cup cards. Which one is the best? Let's start with the World Cup sticker. We kick off with Lozek, the Iraq badge, and Al Amari.
Hello?
That's just me.
Oh my god, it's a logo, I think.
Anyway,
If you're gonna mindlessly
it's actually pretty nice. Like, what if you're listening to like an audiobook? Let's try. Huh? Got my audiobooks here, I believe.
Mrs. Potter was Mrs. Dursley's sister, but they hadn't met for several years. In fact, Mrs. Dursley pretended she didn't have
It works.
a sister because her sister and her good-for-nothing he had been hugged by a complete stranger. He also thought he had been called a muggle, whatever that was. He was rattled. He hurried to his car and set off home, hoping...
Right, that's pretty good quality for like 40, 30 Australian dollars. Anyway, that's it for this video. It's just a quick one. JBL Go 4. Please like, comment down below what you think about this speaker this small for that size, for that price. I think it's a good deal. And subscribe for more videos.